Yeah, Parquet has a lot of things here. So we can get some of these pre-made sandwiches that they warm up. So I got actually the rotisserie chicken melt that I'm waiting for. Got some dessert. You can get a salad made, which has always been good on a lot of the other park cafes. A couple different stations of this grab and go area. And then they have a carving station. Of course, you have your water station with juice and some other stuff over here. The indoor sitting area of Park Cafe is huge compared to some of the other OS class ships. Also has a huge sitting area outside. You can also sit in other areas. But Claire and I found this nice little spot here.
Yeah, I thought it was like specialty dining when I saw it from afar because the chairs are different, but it looks like it's part of the Park Cafe.
Yeah, this is pretty nice.
Yeah, it's more secluded.
See, I got the grilled chicken melt. I guess you ate yours, your pre-made gluten-free sandwich.
Yeah, I was surprised they had a gluten-free grab-and-go sandwich. So it's an Italian deli sandwich. It was pretty good. We had a heavy breakfast, just needed a little something to hold us over for dinner, so.
We'll be eating soon though. 5 o'clock?
A couple hours.
Yay, dinner time.
The last time they saw us, we were eating.
Had to go back to the room. Claire had to change, or she wanted to change. But got her table, number 19. So able to get that 2-seater. But almost by the window. I'm gonna have a neighbor here soon. Maybe, maybe not.
So close. So I went a little rogue. Welcome aboard always includes shrimp cocktail. I always get shrimp cocktail. I got escargot.
You know what?
I do really like the escargot though.
Wondering why you got escargot. I was like,
I
that's
couldn't
different.
between the two, and I've only had the escargot once.
Huh? And you got the gluten-free bread too. And I, for some reason, didn't notice it either. And got a Caesar salad. So weird.
We're doing different things.
I don't know what's going on here.
I don't either.
Disney must have changed us slightly. And the food is here.
I got the prime rib, a pretty good medium cook on it, with some vegetables and horseradish.
Yes, look at that. Look at that, man. That looks red. Looks good though. But check it out. Fried chicken, and instead of mashed potatoes, what did I get? Rice. So I'm excited about that. Oh, and how was the escargot?
It's delicious. It's so good.
But it wasn't shrimp.
I know. I mean, the snail on its own, I probably couldn't do, but with garlic and butter, and a lot of the garlic and butter, it's pretty good.
Nice. Nice. Yay, and dessert. So what'd you get?
Dark chocolate custard. I think I've gotten that every
First night?
welcome aboard. It's good.
What is that on top? Is that a raspberry? Okay, cool. And I got key lime pie. I think I get this every first time.
Some things never change.
No. But my chicken and rice was good. So, mashed potatoes I'm not a big fan of, so I asked for rice.
Yeah, it's good that they could do that.
Yep. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 aboard the Utopia of the Seas, and it's a gorgeous morning outside here at Park Cafe. Grabbing breakfast. Actually slept pretty well, so looking forward to the breakfast and coffee. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we have a lot of things on the agenda for today, but relaxing outside at Park Cafe. Here's what they offer for breakfast at Park Cafe. It's like more food over here, and then we got some sandwiches. There's some breakfast sandwiches, pastries. Oh, and this one I'm gonna get here, bagel. Bagels, yes. This morning I got the onion bagel with cream cheese, onions, and smoked salmon. And I also got a breakfast sandwich here with ham, cheese, egg on an English muffin, and then a chorizo breakfast taco. So really excited about this. Claire got her breakfast. I had to wait a little bit. Slight confusion.
Yeah, it was before coffee, but I might have asked to do the bagel station with gluten-free bread. I can't remember. And then they brought out somebody higher up in the staff to talk to me. And so she asked me if I wanted the bagel. I said, sure. And then while she's calling to get the bagel, they're like, oh, hey, along the line, they're like, hey, we have gluten-free bread. I was like, I didn't know what to do. So I went with the bread. And the very kind staff member who was helping me said that she would have the bagel hopefully tomorrow. But either way, this is perfectly fine.
Got some watermelon there too?
Yes.
Cool. But tomorrow you'll be ready for a bagel.
Yeah.
Well, taking a break from the casino. But it's Sorrento pizza time. Love this pizza. You guys like this pizza? It's freaking awesome. Very good pizza. Yes, sir. Got my pepperoni pizza. Oh, Claire got her pizza. Look at that. She got a full gluten-free pizza. Yes, just like that. Ready for mason jar. It's on deck 15. Have to go find it. Aft, you said?
Yeah.
After the ship?
Looks like it's by the Windjammer. I'm not sure if it's in the Windjammer, like, some of the Freedom class ships, but we'll figure it out.
Yep.
We have not insured that part of the ship yet.
No, we haven't. Haven't even been to the solarium yet.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow. Well, I don't know. Tomorrow's CocoCay.
Yeah, busy
So
day.
we'll see. Ready here? It's the entrance. Does this look right? I think that's right.
Home.
Yep, right there. Right there. Here we are. Check it out. There's the bar, the mason jar. And then on the other side is the main dining area for the mason jar. But they're asking us to sit over here. You can sit in these rocking chairs.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Right here. Check it out. Has nice rocking chairs. It looks like they have a live band set up over there, right next to the bar. So the hostess told Claire that we could wait in the backyard.
I think that's what they said. Which it does smell like a backyard.
Yeah, with these nice rocking chairs. It's pretty cool. So it's supposed to be Caribbean night in the main dining room,
Yeah.
and here we are.
Yeah. We're not big fans of Caribbean night. I mean, it's not the night itself. It's just the offerings in the main dining room don't really suit our palate. So figured we would try out mason jar since this is our first opportunity to be able to try it.
Yeah, we haven't tried it before. I don't even remember what other ship it's on.
I think Wonder.
Wonder. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that's right. I think that's right. So they actually give you a biscuit and jalapeno bread. So let's see how this is. Not really sure what the butter.
Cajun butter. And
Cajun and plain butter?
maybe a honey butter, but this is cornbread.
It's jalapeno cornbread, right?
Yeah.
So I did get an apple pie old fashioned, and I'm thinking that's an apple pie. So this is interesting. Okay, so got the Caesar salad, and this is massive. I thought it was for two, and then Claire got this watermelon salad. How is that?
It's very different.
It's like a balsamic vinaigrette on there?
I don't think so. I think it's olive oil. It's very different.
So I also got the lobster gumbo, but I'm not really sure that's lobster. It actually looks like,
A mud bug.
yeah, I don't know. Let's see how it tastes though. Not gonna lie, this Caesar salad is very bland. Still different.
Yeah, I'm really not a fan. I did ask for the feta to be removed because I'm not a feta fan. I think they took off the chicken. There's like a crispy chicken that's supposed to be with it, which those flavors might help it come together, but it's just not my style.
Interesting. Entrees here, and
We got the blackened catfish.
black and cash. What's that on the side?
Here,
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Huh.
It was on the menu, and I had never heard of it.
And what's below this?
I think it's a sweet potato puree.
Okay. And then I got sweet potato fries. They're actually part of this entree here. So it's Mima's fried chicken with mashed potatoes. And yeah. So we took a bite of something.
Yeah, the catfish.
How is it?
That's good.
All right, we got our desserts, but I got some fried Oreos. These look pretty good. They smell good. And what do you think?
I have no idea what this is.
Neither do I. Some kind of cake?
Cakey something.
Cakey custard thing? With some fruit?
I was told my dessert was being made.
I don't. It's okay?
It's actually pretty good.
like we
Still
were
don't know
talking.
what it is.
Like we were talking about. Luckily, Windjammer is next door. These washy stations are real nice. Man,
A lot of them too.
it's super nice in the Windjammer. Here's dessert came from the Windjammer. Here it is, pineapple sunshine cake. So, like we were saying, it was right next door, so I figured that's where it was all coming from. But man, they got tons of dessert here, tons. Windjammer is super nice. The layout is pretty open, but the seating area, man, there's like these tons of tables that wrap around the glass here. And you can look down into Park Cafe, or not Park Cafe, but the Central Park area. Good morning, guys. It's day 3, fortunately our last day. So, but we're in CocoCay, and getting some breakfast this morning in the Windjammer for the first time. And it's nice because we have a window spot. So that's what I got. French toast, hash browns, got some bacon and some cheese omelet. And then Claire, over here, got
Fruit, pork sausage, plain omelet, and bacon.
this Windjammer, super nice. I mean, there's seats or seating all the way around in this area.
Well, and the other thing is, sometimes in these big windjammers, they don't have all of the buffets open. Like they'll shut down like a part of it. Everything's open.
Yeah. It's crazy. And it's really nice too.
It's really well done.
Well, back here at lunch. Gotta check in. Check back in.
Hello. Doing
Got 11:15 appointment
8190
or
with Utopia.
11:15 reservation. All right. We're being escorted to this other side here. We actually ate underneath the main area last time, so going into this other side. So it's pretty nice over here. Where are we gonna sit? Oh, right here.
Thank you.
Cool. All right, we got our starters. And what do we have here?
Ceviche, shrimp cocktail, and then we each have our own vegetable plates with
Yeah.
hummus, baba ganoush, and tzatziki. I got my own little gluten-free crostinis, which I'm very excited to try, and Michael has some pita bread.
Yeah, so I think the only difference is mine has pita,
Yeah,
but we all have our own.
exciting.
All right, we got our lunch.
I went with the lobster, which looks delicious.
Oh yeah, that thing is huge.
It is, and this aioli is to die for.
But yeah, that's very different than the supposed lobster. What was I supposed to have last night at Mason Jar? Lobster.
Oh, your gumbo?
Gumbo. Yeah.
With your crawfish.
They were definitely crawfish. But I got the lobster sandwich with fries. So we got the surf and turf last time we were here, and it was amazing. So
good.
that's
It
why
was so good.
Claire went back with the lobster.
Can't get lobster every day. And this lobster is so good.
And good.
So good. That aioli, perfect.
Well, it is our dessert time.
Yeah.
And I can smell mine.
I got a chocolate chip cookie.
An Udi's gluten-free cookie. Those are actually
They're
really
pretty good. No
But
complaints.
what I can smell is this rum cake. Look at this. It's awesome. It's a very strong scent. Very ironic that Casino Royale is immediately across from the dining room. It's kind of cool because we have these side door interns here to get to our seats. Okay, we got our appetizers. I got the Caesar salad. Hopefully, I'm sure it's much better than the one I had last night. I have many times. But it looks like Claire got shrimp cocktail.
For the second time today.
Oh, that's true. We had it on at Coco Beach.
Yeah, I think it's the same cocktail sauce too, which is a good. I really like the cocktail sauce.
Entrees are here, and Claire got her. That actually looks really good.
I'm excited.
What is it?
Well, it's supposed to be a pecan crusted salmon, but the crusted part, I assume, is not gluten free. So I really just wanted salmon. So
That's
this will be
odd.
perfect.
It's pecans. Oh well, it looks good though. And I got the grilled steak with chimichurri sauce. Oh, this is good. So I'm excited about this. Now our desserts are here. And Claire got her normal.
Crema catalana. It's the Spanish version of a creme brulee. So,
At least that's what we were told.
Yeah.
Looks like a creme brulee to me.
it's custard instead of cream.
Oh, cool. And I got one of my typical apple cobbler with vanilla ice cream. Good? Been waiting for it this whole cruise.
Well, there's no creme brulee on this whole cruise. So this is next best.